So, you let me know.
Medium na white tsaka red.
Wag na tong white para bumalik pa po kami sa inyo.
Alam mo yung nakakainis, pero mahal kita.
I know. Wag ka nga dito, vlog ko to, vlog ko to.
New day,
new bag. Yeah!
Ayan. Paano na tayo? Bahay ni first.
Ako yung nagpa-fangirl dito ngayon. Thank you po.
Galing lang ni Mika tsaka ni Bianca.
Yes, I saw nga. That's why we came here. Because we also wanted to check out the 25.
Sino ba nag-recommend? Or...
Pinapanood po talaga namin kayo.
Wow!
We've been watching you talaga.
Talaga?
So yun, when we had the chance, it's my first free day for a very long time. So when me and Mom had the chance, we came here right away.
Can I just say, sobrang ganda mo.
Di ba? Thank you po.
At starstruck ako.
Thank you po.
Ang kinis, wala kang pores.
Thank you po. I'm not prepared for this. Thank you po.
Skincare reveal naman.
I told you naman. It's a secret. I'm sorry. For us only.
Or jeans.
Yeah, it's from my mom. It's the Canada Air also. Siguro yun po. Or yung laging being active. I think that helps a lot to get the sweat glands out po.
Dito kasi sa Philippines, puro pollution.
Opo. That's why I stay inside. Sa bahay ni Kuya.
Sobrang kinis.
Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Tapos bare face yan, di ba? Wala ka nilagay anything.
Wala po. Mascara, lip gloss lang.
Sana all.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Nakatulog din po
Lahat
kasi
kami
ako.
ni starstruck dito.
Ay, thank you po.
Tapos twinning pa kami ng hair.
Yes!
Jimmy Gen Z tayo.
I love it. It's the Gen Z vibes happening in here. Yeah, you have everyone coming in here po. So feeling ko, the vibes are wearing off of you.
Pwede mo ako isang sample.
Ng sayaw?
Yes.
If you dance with me.
Ano?
No. This one. Legs lang po yun. Dito po kayo. Ready. 5, 6.
Asap ba to?
5, 6, 7, oh, wala. Mapot and guitar. Pinatid and jump like the arena. Ikabate and jump. 1, 2, 3. I'm not choosing that. And pose.
Amen.
I love it! First time ba na may sumayaw sa vlog?
Yeah. First time na
I love it! Congrats po!
Thank you, AC. So, what are you looking for pala?
So, yun nga, we were looking for a 25 po na Chanel.
Nagko-comment yung husband ko, baka daw mapadami yung bili niyo. Babalik pa sila.
Opo, actually, nakaschedule na po ako, sir. Sa inyo. Sa 13, nakaschedule na po ako for the watches. So, that's on the 13. But today, we're looking for a Chanel bag. Opo.
What Chanel bag?
Any. I'm not really educated in the bags. But yun nga, initially 25, we wanted to get. But I guess we're gonna source that out from you
Super
guys.
hard to get.
Opo. So we want to get a color na lang that's not in our collection yet, me and Mom. So either white or red po.
White or red?
Yes.
What size?
Ano po ba yung mga sizes niya?
Merong medium. Actually, may small, mini, medium, large, or jumbo. Tapos may maxi din.
Hala, I don't
Dami.
know. I don't
Dami.
know. What do you recommend na lang po?
Actually, for you, dapat medium.
Okay. Sige po. I don't know. Wala, hindi talaga ako educated sa
Kaso
bags.
wala
So
kami
you let me
medium
know.
na white tsaka red.
Okay. So what's the next?
What we have
thing?
is in jumbo. Ito yung large.
Oh, okay. I like that. Kasi mas pang big bag din po talaga ako.
Ayan, gloves daw.
Don't forget
Sorry.
the gloves.
Malinis si AC. Balat pa lang niya. Balat pa lang niya, mahihiya na yung
Okay.
Chanel. Actually, no need for gloves. Mahihiya yung Chanel sa balat
naligo
niya.
po ako today.
So, yeah.
Just for the bag.
Yes.
So this is the jumbo size.
Jumbo.
Na white.
White. Single flap.
And red. A single flap. And
This
red.
one, this is burgundy. Twinning saan?
Gold
Hair.
burgundy talaga.
Same sa hair ko. Actually, red pala. Sorry, hindi siya burgundy.
I love. I think mas better din yung ganito ka size kasi ang dami kong dinadala. Kasi Girl Scout po ako lagi.
Tsaka double flap na to.
This one.
Oo.
Yes.
Newer siya.
And it's sakto. Sakto siya sa hair ko.
Matchy-matchy sa hair.
Oo.
Matchy-matchy sa hair natin.
Opo. I think red talaga tayo. Para yung
Parang bagay din yung
25
red.
sa white.
White.
Yung isa-source out ko. Opo.
May dami nagpapasource sa akin. Black lang yung kaya ko for now. Yung kay Nika nga, nag-iisa lang.
Opo na beige,
Oo,
right?
nagtatry pa ako. Ang dami naghahanap.
I'll wait however long po. Don't you worry.
Promise.
Opo. And also the Chanel Chanel 22. Na bigger size.
Ito.
Opo, ganito, pero mas
sorry.
malaki po.
Ito, Chanel 22.
Yes.
Pero ito, mini. This is
Yes.
mini. You want small.
Yes.
Yung bigger dito.
The bigger is
one.
called small.
Yeah. Ito, mini siya. Pero
yes
cute
po.
din to sa'yo.
Oo nga.
Pwedeng try mo.
Yes. Ang cute nga, no? Pink with silver. Kasi hindi din ako nag-gold hardware. Laging silver hardware po ako.
Bakit?
Parang mas bagay po kasi sa akin yung silver. I don't know either. Maybe it's just how I feel. Pero silver po talaga ako. And I told them kanina, I was like, pink and red talaga yung mga favorite colors ko. So when they showed me this, I loved it so much. Pero kasi maliit siya.
Maliit na siya.
Yeah. I need to
Tsaka
fit
it's
my
lang
power
skin.
bank, keys, my makeup, ganun po. So I'm thinking for the long run. Opo.
Sige,
But cute, I want the
namin
bigger
small.
one.
Yeah,
Yes.
small size.
Opo.
White or Chanel
Ito
25.
po, black.
Black nito.
This one in black na bigger. Tapos yung 25 na white.
White, small.
Opo. Yes, mas small. They're both called small, di ba po?
Yes.
Yes.
Both small.
Yes. Ang dami. Ang dami naman. Maghihintay talaga ako.
Babalik pa siya for Rolex.
Yes, babalik ako next week for Rolex.
226,000 pesos.
Okay.
Single flap. Ang mura niya for
Yes.
Chanel. Nagulat din ako sa price.
I also like that one nga po.
Oo
The
nga,
red one.
Oo.
Yun yung pinakauna na nakita ko. Kasi red agad siya, tapos silver din na hardware.
Tsaka 83,000. Mami, 83,000. Oo nga.
Nandito po si Mami, ayaw lang magpakita.
Oo nga, 83,000 lang siya.
Opo.
Oo nga.
And then what's the price of this po, Miss J-Ann?
315,000.
Oh, diba? So if we think about this, the price for one bag is the price of the two bags together. Diba? 2 for 1. Ganun yung mangyayari dito. But
Ano, Mami?
my mother. Pero naka-mic din si Mami behind the scenes.
Para kay Mami pala talaga.
No, but I really also like the red. Because yun nga, I'm hoping to get the white and the 25. Yeah. Kasi kami ni Mami, we're not really educated in bags or watches. We don't know the details. Kaya we went here po talaga to you.
But
'cause
you're
we
a
trust
Chanel
you.
girl.
We are an everything girl. I think right now we're just finally getting into the Chanel brand. Opo. Yeah.
But what's your first luxury bag?
What is our first? I don't remember the first Lux, but I remember my first bag ever na in my head was pricey na, was Michael Kors. When I got a Michael Kors bag, I was so happy. I kept using that for how long? Sobrang tagal. And that was already pricey for me. I was like, oh my God, first kong bag, Michael
Pero
Kors.
teenager ka pa nun.
Opo, opo. So now that we've been working for how many years, only now am I really buying luxury bags po na
You
for
deserve
investment. Thank you po. Thank you po. I love it. I think we're on the red po talaga.
Red na talaga.
Yes. And
Balikan
I'm
na
willing
lang
to
ni
wait
Mami.
for you. Ang cute talaga nito.
cute.
Sabi nga namin ni Mami, sobrang linis kasi tingnan.
Linis.
And it's so cute. Parang it'll never go out of style din eh.
From 83, bigay ko
Totoo ba?
Nakakainis ka.
Para
Totoo?
hindi ka na makano.
Oh my God! Pwede po, pwede po.
Pumasok tuloy ako bigla.
Sabi niya, hindi siya mapasok sa vlog. Ayaw niya.
Ayoko sumama sa vlog. Ayoko. Sabi ng ayoko. Di ba? Ano
No,
ba?
let's get this also.
Tapos ito.
Eh, kaso nga, magkakulay.
Okay lang.
It's two different bags.
Nakakainis ka talaga. Alam mo yung nakakainis, pero mahal kita.
Ay, pwede din yun. Pag may... Oo. Huwag ka nga dito. Vlog ko to, vlog ko to. Ay, nako.
Nakakainis talaga.
Nagbubudol na si Mami.
Pero I love you talaga.
Love you too, Mom.
Talaga.
Kay Mami.
Nakakainis.
Di ba, Ma?
Magkano nga to?
Chanel ba?
Makakabili ako?
I love it. Tapos parehas tayo naka-red. Oh,
Hindi
ay.
pa naman ako sasama sa dinner.
Papapasama sa
Cute.
dinner.
Sige na nga.
Ayan, buy two.
I love it. We got two Chanel bags.
Tsaka
Wag na tong
water.
white. Wag na tong white para bumalik pa po kami sa inyo.
Kasi wala pa kami talagang white.
We're just scared kasi, diba, it's hard to take care of. Tapos when it gets dirty. Noong kami kasi ni Mami, we share everything. We're the same shoe size, clothes, bags, everything
parang
po.
best friend.
Opo, lahat. Lahat 2-in-1 po kami.
Oh my God, nakakainis ka talaga. Ay, sorry, hindi na naman ako, sorry.
Naka-gloves.
Kasi ng husband mo, hindi ako naka-gloves.
Hindi, bibilin mo naman naman.
Ay, bibili ko naman. Bibili ko naman, sorry po.
Sorry po, sir! Si Mami sobrang fan po talaga sa inyo.
Tsaka alam niyo na ikaw yung nagbe-video
Oo,
dati.
sabi niya kanina. Di ba asawa mo?
Kasi, naalala mo, habang naglalakad ka sa papunta, magdadala ka ng ano.
Ng delivery.
Oo, delivery. Tapos umiiyak ka kasi naalala mo kung kailan ka nagsimula.
Ah, diba?
Tinatap.
Paano ka?
Nakikita mo sa akin. Oh my God, magiging friends tayo.
You're gonna see this in my outfits. Tsaka pupunta po kaming ASAP sa London this month. So I'm gonna bring these with me so that I can wear it. So I'll tag you.
Thank you.
Oo, of
Thank you
course.
so much.
Eto na! I made chocolate!
Dami yan.
Oh my God! Ang dami! Wow, this is why I came here po, for your chocolate. Tapos gagamitin ko na din agad yung bag. I'm so excited. Thank you po. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye po. Thank you po. Yeah!